Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with some additions such as a 3.5-inch ReadyLIFT suspension lift, and sitting on some spicy red metallic fuel 20-inch rims with some 33-inch Nitto ridge grabbers on there as well, so you've got some nice additions there. Also running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting into your lifted truck. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then you do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle, and in the middle you have two cup holders, 12 volt, two USBs, and a 110 volt power outlet. And this truck does also come with a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running and moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise controls, and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information for your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, compass, auto start stop status, and you can also go into your display mode for your engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures, digital speedometer, and you can also go into your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You also have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With a dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, and your auto start stop shutoff, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, pro trailer backup controller, and your trailer brake controller at the bottom. And on the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Then down below, you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, and then your drive mode selector here at the bottom, where you can go through normal, tow haul, snow, wet, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your center lockable arm compartment slash armrest here, which opens up to reveal a removable tray and a ton of space inside, as you can see, with another 12 volt power outlet as well. So that's always nice, plenty of storage capacity in this vehicle. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window, if that interests you, but that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind one with some upgrades pre-installed, this is certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.